What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. A while back, a pre-order for RBD Barbies showed up on my Amazon, and I noticed that one of the dolls have the Lena face sculpt, which is a favorite of mine. When this Barbie Looks doll came out, I regretted not getting two for customizing possibilities. So when Barbie Looks 23 was released, I picked up two. And when I saw that this doll had the Lena face sculpt, which is the Mia doll from RBD, I bought the single doll at $24.99. This doll has bangs, but then I saw her in the 5 doll set for $99. And I don't think this one has bangs. On the back of the box, we can see all the dolls and who they were named after. According to Amazon, Barbie is celebrating RBD's reunion with this 5 doll set, allowing fans of this popular pop rock music group and telenovela to add these inspired Barbies to their collection. As an adult doll collector, I am intrigued, and I just have to check out all those little details. This Mia doll was $24.99. The picture on the back of the box shows a denim skirt, possibly a printed denim skirt. However, the doll that arrived has a solid blue skirt. This doll comes with long blonde hair, a center part with bangs. Her face is pixelated and shiny, which is something. The picture I saw on Amazon versus what I got. I mean, it's pretty close, but you can definitely see a few differences. Like the promo photo has thicker eyeliner underneath the eye, darker eyeshadow, and the lips are not pixelated. This one might be hand-painted, and this one is mass-produced. But when I'm shopping online, the picture is all I have to go by, so, you know, expectations. This doll has large eyes and a star on her forehead. She comes wearing a red jacket with a printed detail that says Elite Way School. There is a sleeveless white top underneath with a collar, a red tie stitched to the front. The tie does go around the back of the neck and has to be removed if you want to change the doll's shirt. This shirt velcros in the front. It has a little ruching, like the shirt has been tied or tucked under. It is paired with a blue skirt with gold stitching, or rather yellow stitching, and it velcros in the back. She comes with a pretty nice pair of black boots, and the doll stands on an incline. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. Pretty much what you would expect to see with a Barbie fashionista. Personally, I think $24.99 is a little high, considering that's about the price point of a Barbie extra doll, where we got more articulation and accessories. But this is an inspired doll based on a real group, so that could have gone into the pricing. But if you are here as an RBD fan, well then some of this could be a non-issue. And you're ready to see the 5 doll set. The box is red, black, and white, with a picture of the group at the bottom. On the back, we can see all the dolls with their names. Here's Giovanni, Lupita, Mia, Roberta, and Diego. All the dolls have the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. Diego has black molded hair. He comes with sunglasses. Underneath, we see a shiny pixelated screening with light brown eyes. Or maybe they're hazel. He wears a red, black, and gold jacket with printed details and a few that look like they are ironed on. I don't know for sure if they were ironed on, it just kind of reminds me of some kind of vinyl detail. He wears a plain white shirt underneath with sleeves and black pants that velcro in the back. The fabric seems similar to what we usually get with a Ken fashionista doll, and he comes with white shoes. Roberta comes with red or kind of a burgundy hair color. It has a slight wave, but might need some attention out of the box. There are short bangs cut in the front. She comes with heart-shaped earrings that are removable. Oh, come on, be removable. Be removable. Yes, they are! She comes wearing a black faux leather top with white stitching and red ribbon straps. It velcros in the back and is a separate piece from the skirt. The skirt is a printed plaid with a faux leather belt attached to it. There are pleats in the front that continue around to the sides but then stop in the back. She comes with tall black shoes and wears black netting on her arms. This doll is not pixelated and her face screening looks pretty good. And she has a painted nose ring. Here is Mia dressed in a black two-piece outfit. The fabric is kinda sparkly. The top has ribbon straps that crisscross in the front, and the pants flare at the bottom. We get black boots, and this doll comes with a pink cowgirl hat, which I think is awesome because I am all for a cowgirl summer. Let's remove the hat. She has blonde hair with a center part, a white star on her forehead. She is pixelated and shiny. She comes with pearl-colored earrings that are removable. I like that these two are different even though they are the same character. This one is looking up with a wide eye expression and has bangs, and her hair color is slightly different, while the other doll is kind of looking to the side. Her hair is a little lighter and her makeup is a little different. We are getting that thicker brown eyeliner under the eye. Lupita has black hair with a center part. She is shiny and pixelated. She also comes with pearl-colored earrings that are removable. She wears a shiny pink dress with ruffled layers at the bottom, black ribbon straps, and black lace at the top. And she comes with the same black boots that come with this Mia. Giovanni has pink sculpted hair, a shiny pixelated screening. He comes wearing a khaki-colored vest with little plastic stays attaching it to the shirt. There are strips of fabric cut in the shape of ties sewn into the shoulder of the vest. Under the vest, he wears a light khaki or camel-colored t-shirt with a v-neck. It is a separate piece from the vest and velcros in the back. He wears brown pants that also velcro in the back and black and white shoes. If you're looking for body donors to give these dolls a little more articulation, Giovanni's head is slightly different from his body skin tone, so I think you can get away with Barbie Looks number 17 as a possible body donor. And please forgive me if I'm pronouncing everyone's name wrong. Diego looks pretty close to the Buffkin Barbie Looks number 18. Lupita looks pretty close to Barbie Looks number 24. Same for Roberta. And Mia might be a match for the pink top made to Move Barbie. Let's go ahead and give this one a try. Prepare the hot water. I place the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head softens and it can easily be removed. The match is not perfect, but it's very close. She can still fit the clothes, and I get the Lena face sculpt in a new skin tone. At this price point, I would have liked to have seen a little more articulation and a non-pixelated screening. But I really like Mia's outfit and that we're getting a pink cowgirl hat. I also like that Roberta's skirt is separate from her top, and I like Diego's sculpt. The back of the box does say colors and decorations may vary, so that can explain the blue skirt. But I do like the white collared shirt, and that Giovanni and Diego come with basic t-shirts. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie RBD dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!